Hi everybody and welcome again to my bike ride tour of homes video series. Today bike ride is to Boerne, Texas. I'm stopping a little bit here so you can see the beautiful hill country views on my way to Boerne. I'm taking this road that is Old Fredericksburg Road. It's the back road to Boerne, Texas. On my way to Boerne, I'm going to stop on some areas of interest like schools, city parks, and other areas of interest so you can see Boerne, Texas a little bit. Thank you. This is one of the schools in Boerne Independent School District. This is Boerne Middle School. This is South. Boerne Middle School South. Great schools. Excellent schools. And this is Kendall Elementary School. So we have the middle school and elementary school. They're getting ready. Let's take a look at Boerne City Park. You can swim, you can play tennis, play soccer, have a picnic with your family. This is the Agriculture Museum in Boerne. A lot of tractors from the past century. From the 1900s, I would say. This is Boerne City Park. Soccer fields, tennis courts, swimming pool. And this is the Cibolo Nature Center. Has some trails here. You can walk and run, biking. Beautiful area. Beautiful place to live here in Boerne. Give me a call. I find you a home. You own your realty. Si quieres comprar una casa en Boerne, llámame. Te buscamos la mejor opción. Diferentes precios con las escuelas de Boerne, Texas. Excelentes escuelas. Y una ciudad muy bonita. Fuera del centro, fuera del tráfico de San Antonio, en el Hill Country. Este es el Parque Boerne y los trails de Boerne. This is one of the Cibolo trails in Boerne, Texas. This is another high school here in Boerne. Excellent school. Champion High School. This one is considered one of the best high schools in the area. Here we are at the ranches, Creekside. Homes from the 300,000. Different builders, Highland Homes, Perry Homes, Cedar Homes. Beautiful subdivision in Boerne, Texas. Champion High School. Walking trails. So let's take a look. And see what they have at the ranches in Boerne, Texas. This is the area from Cedar Homes. Little privacy. So we are approaching the model home here at Cedar Homes at the ranches in Boerne, Texas. This is the Durango model, 1 story. Lots available where you can build your home from Cedar Lee. So give me a call and make an appointment for you, and we got together in the process. I'm building your home, or you can buy an existing home, inventory home from Cedar Lee, like this one. Almost ready. A lot of lots available. Hill Country from Cedar Lee Homes. Boerne, Texas. Casas de constructor Cedar Lee Homes. Excelente constructor de casas aquí en Boerne y San Antonio. Casas desde los $300,000. Excelentes escuelas. Muy eficientes estas casas, ya que no son muy grandes. Cuentan con la tecnología para hacerlas más eficientes, gastar menos energía. Y esta área es de Highland Homes. This is the area from Highland Homes and Perry Homes. Model homes here. Beautiful home from Perry Homes, from Highland Homes. Boerne schools. This is the sales center from Perry Homes. They have a sale right now. They give you $15,000 in options